Ngaphansi kwalomthetho lokhona wekuvalwa kwelive kuhamba la kugcwele khona abantu ungakafaki sifonyo kulicala. Emakhulukhulu sevele aboshiwe ngekuphula lomthetho ngalokungafaki tifonyo. Lokuphula lomthetho kungaba nemthelela lomubi empilweni yomuntu njengoba uba nelirekhodi lebugebengu.
If a person is arrested and charged for breaking the protocol or the regulations, then of course he will be brought before a criminal court. It's like a traffic fine, not like a traffic fine, but something like a traffic court, sticker court set up for this purpose. Then what happens is that he will be charged, and if he's convicted, that's his critical issue. If he's convicted, then there's a record against his name permanently, unless he applies for expunging that conviction. That has a ripple effect on various factors, and I'm at pains to say to people, obey the law. Masking is important.
Indlela lekhona yokucisha lelo lekhodi lebugebengu ukuthi lisulwe sanhlobo lokungathatha iminyaka leminyaka.
Generally it's about a decade before a record is permanently is removed from public, but it still remains in archives. It is not in the public record, but it will still remain in archives. Anybody digging up will find that maybe 10 years later they'll find that you had a fine for not wearing a mask.
Hulumende usabuka ukuthi angawakhipha njani la malekhodi alabo labaphulela umthetho kepha hayi nyalo njengoba usafuna kulisana lokuphepheteka kwe-COVID-19.